This video will show you how to assemble Uline's electric adjustable height desks, walking through the assembly of a 60 by 30-inch gray electric adjustable height desk. While you may have a different desk size or color, steps to assemble are similar. Here are the tools needed for assembly. Place the adjustable frame with lifting columns on a smooth, non-marring surface. Unfold the lifting columns to an upright position. Insert the top support bracket into the outside of the adjustable frame. Repeat this step on the opposite side. Insert screws into the holes on the end of the adjustable frame and lightly tighten the screws to secure the lifting column. Repeat this step on the opposite side. Once all the screws are inserted, fully tighten them. Attach the feet to the lifting columns. Then place the desktop upside down on a smooth, non-marring surface to prevent scratching. Note, the grommets should be facing down. Place the adjustable frame on top of the desktop. For 60 by 30-inch desks and 48 by 30-inch desks, the top support brackets should be approximately 1.5 inches from the side edges of the desktop and approximately 5.5 inches from the front and back edges of the desktop. Note, the adjustable frame is used for desks of varying lengths and widths. Refer to the instructions for recommended alignment for other size desks. Note, the desktop does not include pre-drilled holes. Drill the wood screws directly into the desktop to attach the base. Place the programmable handset in the desired location on the front edge of the desktop and attach using wood screws. Connect the power cord, programmable handset, and lifting column cables into the control box. Position the cords underneath the cable management trays. Then, attach the cable management trays to the adjustable frame. Now, with two people, carefully flip the desk onto its feet and adjust the leveling feet to ensure a level surface. Make sure there are no obstacles in the desk's height adjustment path and the desk is not touching any walls. Confirm the power cord is at an appropriate length to accommodate changes in height. Note, the desk must be initialized prior to first use. Press and hold the down button on the handset until the desk reaches its lowest height, slightly raises, and stops. Release the down button. The desk is now ready to use. To program preset heights, use the up and down buttons to move the desk to the desired position. Press and hold the setting button and one of the 4 preset buttons simultaneously. The handset will display the CF1 preset when the programming is complete. Note, up to 4 presets can be programmed. The desk is now completely assembled. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.